Hey guys, how you doing? I'm Charles and welcome to our art journey on Learn with Charles. So guys, in the previous video we learned about 2D simple shapes. Now it's time to learn about some 3D basic shapes. So here we go. In this video we will learn about these basic shapes: rectangle box, cylinder, wedge, pyramid, and yes, pyramid are so many types. You can make as much as type as you want. Like I have made here square pyramid. You can make an round pyramid. See? Also, you can make triangular pyramid, but it will looks like square. See? To make a 3D rectangle box, first of all, you need to draw out a 2D rectangle box. Now, take any corner of this rectangle and draw a line, and make sure the other line will also follow the same. And close the box. See, 3D rectangle box is ready. Let's practice some more rectangles. All you just need to give a different angle to line. Now let's get from below eye level. I know right now you won't get what I'm saying, but when we'll learn about perspective, you'll get idea how to make this box in different angles. But right now just follow my guideline. All you need to have is patience. Let's try some different angle. Okay. Make sure these two lines will be parallel. Now we'll try draw through technique. Now what is draw through technique? Well, here it is. A rectangle and now this line is now if you draw the line here like this, here, this is the other side of the rectangle, right? But we can't see, but it is there. But we don't need to draw it. But to understand how to draw the rectangle in 3D, you have to understand this technique. So these are the rectangle 3D box. Now let's move to square box. Now let's move to square 3D box. The only difference is they are rectangle and these will be square. Just start with the plane. This and draw a line in any direction. Follow those lines and just try to make a perfect box. Square box. See? Let's try some other angles also. Now let's move towards to our cylinder shape. So here we go. Draw a circle, or you can say oval, straight line. These should be parallel. And one more. And let's draw through it like this. You get the point? Now let's try with some different angles also. See, this is draw through. We can't see this side, but we need to know about this. See, this is called organic. An object who have curves, it's called organic. See, this is still, and if we give a curve, this will become an organic cylinder. Okay. This is perspective. So this is our cylinder shape. Now let's move towards to the wedge shape. All we need to do is think about a triangle. We can't see this line because it's straight. Same concept, but it should be short this. Like this. In the beginning, you might face some problems, but you don't have to give up. Just continue practice. I'm also having problem. See, I did it. Now let's erase it and make like this. Yeah. And if you try to find the draw through technique in this, it will be looks like this. In this, it will be looks like this. let's try some more angles. We can't see this. So this is our wedge shape. Now let's move towards to pyramid shape. So guys, as I said before, there are so many types of pyramid. First of all, let's try with the square. Means square pyramid. We just need to draw through a square pyramid because it is the other side. Now let's try about. Now let's see. This is a circle pyramid. Why? Because its base is circle. So you can call this a cone also. Now let's see about triangle pyramid. Or you can say a prism. Let's try to draw some more. And about this, you can draw it with any angle. You will find the shape looks like this. So let's try to draw like this. So guys, these are our 3D basic shapes. Now let's see some examples about this.